What is happening here?
The night be that one said, just only drink. Just buy something one.
Only drink.
Just buy Indomie and egg. That's all.
If not to play, na there.
Hello, baby C.
Hello, brother.
How are you now, my angel?
I'm fine. Are you?
Wow, I'm okay, my dear. How is school?
School is fine.
I hope you're taking your studies very serious.
Yes, brother.
Oh, I can't wait for the school term to finish so you come back. I'm really missing you.
Me too. I miss you so much. I'll make you proud, brother. Don't worry.
Okay. I hope you are in school now.
Yeah, brother. I miss you.
Okay, my dear. We'll talk later. For now, I am with my friend. See you.
Love you, brother. Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you too. Like we're saying, bro, I really need a girl. Can't you just look for me one girl? I need some girl for the whole skin now. You my guy.
Babes, yeah, I get one babe. It's very small, slim, like not too.
Really?
But I don't say they like slim one.
Can't you like?
I don't like.
So-
You don't like them chubby.
How is she?
Wait.
It is smoking.
You don't sleep with her before.
It is taking
The lady child, you're asking me this question. I say night be that one said, just only drink. Just buy something one.
Only drink.
Just buy Indomie and egg. That's all.
Only Indomie and egg.
2 days is clean your house.
Call.
This is why I talk.
Wait, I want to see the name.
Call.
Hello, babe. What's up? Where are you? Come that place that you know that front thing that we passed the other day, we went to buy something. Just 937. Just enter inside. You see me? Just enter inside.
Yes.
Okay, babe.
Let this charger.
See, we control, we run things,
My bro.
we do things.
Let me ease myself.
Okay, my guy. Okay. I believe it's my baby. Wow, I know. I feel good. Oh, you know how you do this? Easy. Wow, that's all. How are you? How you doing? I'm looking very fresh this afternoon. I will teach you how to do that. What is happening here? The night be that one said, just only drink. Just buy something one.
Only drink.
Just buy Indomie and egg. That's all.
Is this the girl you're talking about?
It's the girl you ask for it. This is what you ordered.
Hey, Vanessa!
Wait,
You are a disgrace.
bro, what? Bro, stop, bro. Stop. Do I know?